Well, that didn't go as planned. October 5th. Corn's going to be the first thing we do this year, which is a little unusual. Normally we do sunflowers then soybeans, but soybeans weren't quite ready yet when we started getting rain. It takes them and the sunflowers a little more time to dry out after rain anyway. So I've got some corn that's ready, starting to break over in a few spots, so we're going to go and get started and get it off. We got at least 45 acres that's going to go. Hopefully we'll get through it today, but that's a bit tall order for our little machine. So today, tomorrow, we should get her wrapped up. And then we might have a little bit of a break before we can get into any more corn. So hopefully by then we'll get the soybeans and sunflowers taken care of. Right now I'm just working on fueling up. I'll hit the road here in just a few minutes. Here we are, opening up the cornfield. I made one little round there, getting this one cleaned off, and then Dad's coming to pick me up to run me back and get a truck. Then I'll start getting the headlands taken off on the ends, and we'll go for it. So far, it's running about 180, 190 bushel yield and about 17.6% moisture. So we're right in the sweet spot, in my opinion. Hope it keeps going all the way across the field like that. Dad's in the combine now. I've been driving truck. I just shelled the first load and then he took over. I just come back from dumping the second load. He's not quite got the third load full yet for me to take off, so. Buzzard's probably going to go off any second here. You'll see him stop, back up, start heading towards the truck. There you go. There's a buzzer, a little flapper in the grain bin up top that when the grain hits it, it sets off a buzzer in the cab so you know it's full. Well, one disadvantage to be the first one in the area shelling corn is the elevator won't stay open for one guy. So they're closing at their normal time, 4:30. It's 10 after 4 right now, so I won't make it back here with another load today. We'll just fill the 2 trucks and call her quits, I guess. If things were going hot and heavy and a few more guys were running, they'd probably stay open till 6 or 7, which would mean a lot. It might actually get the field done for us, but oh well. This is always the difficult part at the end of the day. Trying to make sure you've got enough to fill the truck, but not so much that you have corn left in the combine. So we'll see how I did here. Perfect. That's what I like to see.